Good day everyone, yeah. I'm gonna do my first drive in the new year. In the new year I'm gonna do my first drive. Yeah. But it's not too good weather, it's windy. It's not cold, eh? Cold is, no, it's okay. Cold is okay. I got a lot of cars here, what's happening? Yeah. It's not too cold, no. How many degrees? 10 degrees. Oh, that's okay. 10 degrees. But it's still cold. Not the same like it's freezing and it's windy. Not too windy.
Op de E17 naar Antwerpen is het opletten voor een omgewaaide boom op de afrit naar het parkeerterrein in Kruibeke. En op...
A lot of traffic. Hey. Just here on the radio. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you. All the best for 2025. Happy New Year everybody. Happy New Year. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Appreciation that. Yeah. We do a short drive. Yeah. First drive in the new year. Yeah. We need to do it. It's my content, so I need to do it. Yeah. So long I can. Why not? Because I'm almost gonna stop working again. Yeah. Almost gonna stop working again. Don't have time anymore, and then anyway, yeah, I got nothing to do at home because it's bad weather. I need to work in my garden. I can't. I don't know because the weather is not good. It's windy. Sometimes it's raining. Hope everybody's doing good. Everything goes well yesterday evening, I hope so, because here we got a lot of problems in the big cities. Oh la la, they put together 60 cars in fire. 60 cars they put together in fire. It's crazy what's happening again. Young people, you're very crazy, young people. I don't know why. Why you gonna put 60 cars on fire? My God, you need to celebrate. That's not celebrate anymore. No, that's damage making. Young people. It's crazy. In the big city, not here, but in the big city. Very crazy. Brussels and Antwerp. Crazy what's happening there again. And they're attacking the police. My God. Happy New Year, oh my God. Yeah. Very crazy people. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why you're doing that. No. Yeah. It's happening. Can nothing change on that thing? No way. Thank you for watching it. Thank you. Hope you got a good view. Yeah. Hope you get a good view. Do a short drive. Yeah. A short drive. Yeah. Driving too fast already. Yeah. A lot of cars here. Yeah. All the people come together. New Year. Yeah. Oh, it was quiet yesterday. I'm eating a little bit together with my sister because of what's happening with mom. I cannot celebrate anymore. Cannot celebrate. We have eating together, we're talking a little bit like that. Yeah. Otherwise I'm sitting alone. Yeah. Sitting alone at home, thinking about everything, at home it goes. So yeah. My sister said, well, you come over, we can talk a little bit here, we can eat a little bit. Well, I have done that, so it was good, yeah. I was already home at 2 at night. 2 a.m. in the morning I was home, so yeah. It's more than 1 hour driving, My sister's place, it was okay, it was good, yeah. Cannot complain. Yeah. What you gonna do, driving? The weather is not good, The weather is not good. The first day of the year, it's not good, the weather, Hope we're gonna see the sun this year, I need the sun, because my sun powers do nothing for the moment. No, my batteries are empty. Oh God. Can we get people walking here? People gonna walk. The cold weather. Because it's windy. The wind is cold. It's not the breeze is not cold. It's windy. Yeah, it's windy. Yeah. Much better than driving with the car. Come in a small place here, yeah, very small place. Thank you for watching it. Thank you very much. Appreciation and thank you very much. I get a big truck already here. Oh, good driving. Yeah. Thank you for watching, everybody. Yeah. Don't forget the thumbs up. Likey. That I like also to see. Yeah. I hope my channel growing in 2025. With your support. Thank you very much. Thank you. I work a lot on YouTube. Yeah, I support a lot on YouTube also. Yeah. Thank you for connecting with me. Yeah, for supporting me on my channel. Thank you very much. Appreciation that. Thank you. As long as I got time, I'm gonna do it. My girlfriend is not here, so yeah, get a little bit more time. If she's gonna be here, that's finished. I cannot do that anymore. We're gonna do other movies and then together with her. Together with her, we're gonna make movies. Yeah. That's the plan, But then we're going to big cities like that, and we're gonna walk. Alone is alone. Much better with two. Yeah, much better with two. We're gonna do that. Yeah. Car sailor here. Yeah. I'm gonna sell cars today, I think. But nobody gonna buy a car today. No. Yeah. Everybody's doing well, doing good, Yeah. Car is dirty, because it's bad weather all the time. Very dirty. Outside, God, it's so dirty. Yeah. Hope you get good view. I'm busy with my GoPro also, my GoPro. Busy with my GoPro. Yeah. Let me see a little bit. Hope so, Thank you. I'm testing, always testing, yeah. We will see what is good, yes or no, Yeah, all the best for 2025, all the best, All the best, Yeah. Now another car seller here. Honda. Ooh. Yeah, thank you for watching and thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Appreciation, Yeah, I like driving with my car, already. I like driving with my car, Yeah. I like talking also, I can talk a little bit, yeah. Just said I cannot play the radio, But you see my car is very happy with who is my car. How's my car is driving? Very good, very good. I've seen the new model now. You get the new model already. It's almost the same. But if you're gonna buy it, you're gonna pay 6K more. And it's almost the same like my car. It's almost the same. And you're paying 6K more. It's crazy. Crazy prices. It's crazy. Going up. My God. I think they have changing the lights. The lights a little bit. Changing. And it's all I think changing, And you get a new color. A new color you can take like that. Not a lot. It's a new an upgrade from the car, an upgrade from the car. But and then I see asking the price because I know the person very good from the garage. He said to me, sit down, he said, 6K more you're gonna pay now for the same car you have. I said, my God, really? That's crazy. How am I gonna do that? Yeah, I don't know, he said. You see the sales from the electric cars is falling down again. Nobody wants to buy anymore because it's too expensive. Yeah, it's too expensive. You have a second mark now already from the electric cars. Well, the price falling down. The price is falling down. Crazy. For a new Tesla, you're gonna pay €20,000. You're giving Tesla now. From 2 years old. 20,000. What's that? That's nothing. Yeah, it's second hand. I don't know. It's still good second hands. It's not the same like a benzine or naphtha. I don't know. It's dangerous, because you don't know what he's doing with the car. You don't know that. So yeah, and the price is falling down. Yeah, crazy. Oh yeah, I'm happy with my car. That's okay. I'm gonna try to drive very long with. Always upgrading. Yeah. If you do that, I can do it for 7 years long, upgrading my cars. I get still the new things is coming. I get also. Yeah. Are you gonna change? Why you need to change? You don't need to change your garden. No way. You don't need to change your garden. It's quiet here. It's quiet in the city. It's quiet. See nobody. You're all tired. You're all staying home. Yeah, the weather is not good. It's raining now. It's starting raining slowly, but it's starting raining. Yeah. Here is my hairdresser here. He's dying. Yeah. They found him in his couch. Yeah. Was a best friend of mine. Yeah. 1 year older than me. Yeah. It goes faster. Life is go fast. Yeah. Life it goes so fast. Crazy. Yeah. He just buy a new house for his and his wife. Buy a new house. Pay a lot of money for. He never see it, I think. Just one time when I go buy it, that's all. Crazy. It goes so fast, life. You need to enjoy every day. Every moment you need to enjoy from your life. Yeah, because it can go fast, It can go fast, yeah. It can go fast, Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you. Here you're gonna, yeah, we're gonna drive a little bit here, yeah. Nice talking, yeah. Nice talking. Yeah. It's quiet, Not a lot of traffic. No. What's here? It's windy, It's windy, yeah. Very windy. The stores are not open today. They are not open. Everything is closed. Oh, this is not good here. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. It's windy. You see on the flags, it's windy. Like that. Yeah. Can go. Yeah. My first drive in the year. Yeah. And I'm enjoying it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Just the weather is not good, but that's okay. I'm sitting in the car. That's okay. Yeah. watching it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Porsche Cayenne hier. Yeah. Don't forget the thumbs up, everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciation that. Thank you very much. You can give comments. What's happening here? He's parking his car. Not good, Crazy people,